This is the E600 Advanced Health Band. It's really amazing. You get Do Not Disturb, your brightness levels, and a few other things in here with shortcuts. And then we get into the meat of it. You come over here, you got a chart that shows your step count throughout the day, and of course your calories burned, distance traveled. Land on this page, you got your continuous heart rate showing here against a calibrated scale, your high and your low, and it starts taking a heart rate reading immediately. You don't have to push anything. Come over here, you get blood pressure, similar type of thing. It's actually doing regular increments of blood pressure that will pair with the app, and you can watch your continuous blood pressure readings over there. Tap here, and it'll give you a reading of your systolic and diastolic. Here is a very unique page. This is an ECG page, but it's for using this little module in a chest strap. And you use this mode, you start that, and it will transmit continuous ECG to the chest strap. Whether you're bicycling or laying in bed, sleeping at night, or whatever reason you want, you can use this mode to take a long-term continuous ECG. For a quick and easy one, you do it right here. Press that button. Hold the side electrodes. The bottom electrodes will be in contact with your body, and you'll get an actual electrical signal that will give you a heart rate. You don't see an ECG chart in this mode, but you're getting an ECG heart rate reading, which tends to be more accurate. Come back here. Come over here. Now we're into blood glucose. Look at this. You're getting continuous blood glucose. You can see when you eat and how erratically it goes up or comes back down. This is a fast one. You touch the button, wait a little bit, and it'll do an instantaneous blood glucose reading for you. I want you guys, if you are using the finger pricking method of getting your numbers for blood glucose, if you get one of these, please let us know how well does this work against what you're seeing. I'm getting 5.58 at the moment. It's gone up to 7. It's gone down to 3. Very interesting. Blood oxygen uses a red diode here. Again, you're getting continuous blood oxygen in the background, just like the continuous blood glucose, all of that transmitted to the app. So when you go to the app, you get a lot more information. Body temperature now, in Fahrenheit or centigrade, you set that up, will give you your skin temperature, which is actually reading, and then your transmitted or translated body temperature of what your actual body temperature should be. So you can monitor if it looks like you're catching a cold or whatever. Last night's sleep time is in here. More detail is available in the app. And I flip it once more. Where your location is at the top. It shows you whether it's sunny or cloudy or rainy and your temperature. Come over here one more time and you get into your app drawer, which shows you all of the things we've just looked at. These are little icons for all of these. In addition, you've got alarms, stopwatch capability on here, countdown timers, the music player, find your phone. Ladies, you can see where you are in your period cycle. You got a remote camera, and then of course you got your overall settings, which include brightness, the auto lock timeout, how long it'll stay on before timing out, and a bunch of other things. Lots of switches that you can turn on and off. We'll see all that in the full review. Power off, and we're out of here. It is a really sweet little device. It's called the E600 Health Band. Lots of different features in this one. Check it out.